Hey guys, welcome to this video where I talk about formatting a Word document. The first video discussed about editing a Word document. So here basically you're going to see uh, various functions related to formatting a Word document. So we start with the concept of Word document, of Word formatting. Uh, Word formatting refers to the enhancing the appearance of the document. So basically, when you enhance the appearance of a document to look it more attractive and the more compressible and the more favorable to read or to just use it is what we call the word formatting. Now, word formatting can be done in the text of the Word document, paragraphs of the text document, of the Word document, pages of the Word document, or the entire document. So those are just the areas where word formatting can be accessed or can be done. Let's see the text formatting. We format the text by applying different various functions such as the font types, style, size, color, and the another attributes. So let's start with the text font. To format the text font, just you have to highlight the text which you have to be formatted. Then on the format menu, then you click the font. In the font dialog box, then you select the font style, size, and color. Then you apply other font attributes. Then you click OK. So that's how the formatting texting works. Let's see the case. Basically, the cases applied to the text are lowercase, uppercase, sentence case, title case, and the tangle. Now, the use of case in these sentences is deliberate. Now, to change case, first you have just to highlight the text. Then on the format menu, click the change case. In the change case dialog box, then you select the case, then you click OK. So that's how you're going to change the case into maybe lowercase or uppercase or sentence case, title case, and the other. Let's see subscript and the superscript. Subscript appears just above the rest of the character as in centimeter square subscript, while as in centimeter superscript. So superscript appears just above the rest of the characters, while the subscript appears just below the other characters as in H2O subscript. Now to make it text subscript or superscript, first just highlight the characters, then on the format text click font, then on the font dialog box check superscript or subscript, then the text will be applied as the superscript or a subscript. Paragraph formatting. A paragraph, basically, this is a separate block of text that deals with a single theme and the starting and on a new line. So some of the formatting features you can apply in the paragraph include such as follows. First one is alignment, second one is setting tabs and the indents, the third one is drop cap, uh, bullets and the numbering, line spacing, inserting column, and the page breaks. So these are just of the few of the formatting features. Let's see the alignment. The alignment of the text, you can simply say that the alignment is the arrangement of text relative to the left margin, center of the page, or right, or the right margin. Now, the five major alignments options available are such as follows: the left, center, right, uh, justified, and the falsely justified. Now, to align text, first you just have to highlight the text, then on the format menu click paragraph, then in the dialog box select the alignment option, then click OK. Note that you can apply alignment by simply clicking any of the five alignment buttons on the formatting toolbar. Let's see the line spacing. So you can set the space between the line, paragraphs, or blocks of the text. To space line, simply highlight the lines of the text, then on the format menu, click paragraphs dialog box, Then in the paragraph dialog box, you select the line spacing option from the line spacing list box. Then you click OK button. Let's see setting tabs and the index. Tabs refers to this as definite cursor stop when the tab key is pressed, while indenting is the moving a sentence or block of text away from the margin using the tab key. So you can simply set tabs and the index. Simply first on the format menu, click tabs. Then in the dialog box, select the tab stop. Then alignment and the leading. Then you click OK. Then you press the tab key to increase the space bar, to increase, or the space bar to decrease the index. Alternatively, just you can click the increase or decrease the index buttons on the formatting toolbar. So that's how you can set these tabs in the index. So that's all for this video. Discuss the various formatting features. I hope it's clear. Thank you.